So hey there, it's me, Mitch. Used to be old guy in a drone, but I decided after about a 2 year hiatus from the YouTube drone community that I had a lot to say, but what I really felt like talking about was health and diet. And I did this in my live streams when we were doing the drone stuff. But lately, I've been focusing on my health. And 1 year ago, almost to the day, 1 year ago, I decided that I was going to go full carnivore. Everybody told me I was out of my mind. I was going to have heart disease. Eating all that meat was going to give me cancer. Yada, yada, yada. But I did a lot of research into the science and the ideology behind why human beings need to be eating a species appropriate diet, which is primarily fatty red meat from ruminant animals, salt, and water. And carnivore also includes any other animal products, but pretty much no plant food whatsoever. And that sounds radical, but when I eliminated the plant food, the changes over this past year that I've experienced at my tender young age of 76 years old, I've categorized as in the miracle category. Virtually everything that I had wrong with me. Everything. Rheumatoid arthritis, high blood pressure, kidney stones, eczema, muscle atrophy, constipation, on and on. Everything has completely gone away. I got off all my medications, started working out about 6 months ago. I decided to go back to the gym, and I started working out with a high intensity type of resistance training, weights. I lost weight. I weigh 144 pounds now. 144 pounds. But the most amazing thing to me, the most amazing thing, besides having no pain, sleeping good, never being hungry, having all my addictive type carb cravings just disappear. But to me, the most amazing thing is what I see when I look in the mirror. I have started to put on muscle like I've never had in my entire life. Never. So here I am at 76 years old, and I have the body now that I've always wanted, but never, ever, ever been able to achieve. And it only started to happen when I stopped eating everything except animal products, predominantly red meat, plenty of fat. I eat a lot of bacon and eggs. I eat fish. I eat dark meat chicken with the skin on. But when I started concentrating and following the simple rules of this way of eating, I gotta tell you, I have been through a physical transformation that nobody would believe. And I've seen hundreds, if not thousands, of testimonials from people. But the one thing most of them had in common is they were all young to middle age, and when a 50-year-old would come on and talk about this, he would talk about how old he is. And I would look at him and I'd say, "You're a child, for God's sakes." So I thought that, what can I do to help the carnivore community? What can I do? What can I say? What can I show people that are getting older that's possible? So I use myself as an N of one experiment, and I still cannot believe it. So on this channel, I want to try to do videos about the different things I've learned, and I've learned a lot. My insights, my opinions. I want to reference all the tremendous influencers, doctors in this space, and point out some of the videos that they've made that have meant the most to me. I want to do some interviews, and I want to form a little community of people where we can do live streams and have discussions. I want to do a little cooking. I want to share some recipes. I want to show you how I make steaks, because God, I learned how to make steaks. So this is coming. I don't have a schedule made up yet, but stay tuned and subscribe and keep a lookout. If you're interested in drones, I'll probably talk about drones here and there, especially on the live streams, especially with some of the drone guys that are into the diet stuff, and there were a few of them. So for that, I'll just sign off with this basic short introduction, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot. Take the rest of the day off and eat meat.